What's going down, folks? Back again with another video. As you guys can see from the title, we're actually going to be doing an install and unboxing of the Cardo Freecom4x. This is actually released by Cardo probably about a month ago, a little bit over a month. Never had a comm system, so we're going to go ahead and put this comm system on today. Don't have a helmet donut, so I use one of my son's soft baby blankets right here. And you're doing this, you probably want to have something, you want to have a flat surface that you're working on, and then you want to have something that's going to make sure your helmet doesn't get scratched as well as whatever the surfaces you're working on. So recommend a helmet donut. Unfortunately, I don't have one, so I'm using a blanket today. So first thing we're going to do, go ahead and open the box. There, two little boxes. We'll drop that down. Put all this stuff over here. As you can see, once you open it up, you have your comm system on the side here. When you get these, there's two options that you can do. You can do a duo, or you can do just a single. The duo actually comes with two, and they're like automatically connected to each other, so it will look the same way, except there'd be two comm systems right there. Comm system, pretty sleek. Not very bulky looking. Inside the box, got a Cardo sticker. Put that over there. Start here before using this unit. This is going to remind you to download the app. Cardo does have an app for their devices. Everybody says it's a really good app. And you're gonna have there's two pocket guides in here. Looks like they may be different languages, but you're gonna have your pocket guides. Those are gonna just show you how to operate Cardos, get them set up. Also comes with the installation guide, so you can always refer to that whenever you're going to set these up if you run into any issues, as well as an important information packet. It's just safety, compliance, and warranties, things like that. You definitely want to keep that. You want to know what you can do in case you do need to use the warranty. Once you get everything else is going to be in this little slot here. Just pull that out. There's nothing else in that other area. Actually, it just comes out. It's empty. There. Alright. Inside here, you're gonna have your charging cable, USB-C on one end, regular USB on the other. And there's the part that's gonna actually go onto the helmet. So there's that. Looks like it comes with, so you get your two speakers here. These are the JBL HD speakers. So you got those. Okay, and this is the rest of the mounting accessories. So you got alcohol pads to wipe any surfaces down that you are gonna put things, stick things to. You got your Velcro for your speakers for the inside of the helmet, and then you got some more Velcro for mounting the mic in the front of your helmet, as well as if this part here, I can't really see it, can you? that part right there doesn't fit on your helmet because your helmet's too wide. It comes with this mounting accessory here. You stick that to the side of the helmet, and then you can go ahead and put your helmet onto that. There. It's curved too, so it's already pre-curved, so that makes it easy. And then it also comes with a boom mic if you're using an open face helmet, or if you're using a modular helmet, or whatever, however you want to use it. So first things first, we're going to take our helmet and we're going to pull out the padding. So I'm actually going to take my GoPro off really quick. Take my GoPro off, put that over there. Cheek pads out. As well as helmet pads. Alright. Now that we got all of that out, take these off as well, just because. First things first, let's go ahead and my helmet actually has set spots for speakers inside the helmet. Some helmets will come like that, some will not. So, and then it also isn't necessarily the correct spot depending on your ear placement when it's inside your helmet. I've already checked and my ears sit directly above those cutouts. So, first things first, I'm gonna go ahead and start getting the Velcro set up for the speakers. Let's see. Got our speakers there. It just has some 3M tape on the back side. The inside of mine is kind of like styrofoamish, so I'm not gonna wipe it down with the alcohol pad because I don't think it's necessary. But I'm just gonna go ahead and put this 3M right there on the cutout. I'm gonna go ahead and do the same thing with this other one here. Okay, that's set up right there. So now that I have the Velcro in there, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm going to take the speakers. I'm gonna put them in here. Since the Cardo is gonna be on the left side, you wanna have the shorter side on the left. So put the shorter side right here on the left. And I'm gonna take all this extra wiring and put it basically going above the helmet, or above in the top of the helmet. It is your, for the radio, it's also gonna be your antenna. So you wanna make sure you have that placed as best as you can so you can get good reception if you're gonna be using the FM radio at all. Go ahead and put this back in. Alright, so I got my speakers in there. They're set up in the inside. And then I'm going to be using the side mount. I've already wiped it down, the side of the helmet down with the alcohol wipe, as well as switch those over. These two little pins that you see right here, you're just going to push those in, and then it pulls directly out of the Cardo system connection. There. You want to put pressure on it, all sides, as much as you can. Get that nice and firm so that it sticks. And you want to make sure that it is lined up about midway of the helmet. Make it easier for you to access. These two just connect with each other. Just connect this in here. So and then I'm actually going to use the boom mic inside my helmet because of the way the mouth guard is inside the Icon Airflight. I can't really put it over or near this vent here because it comes all the way down, basically all the way up. So I'm gonna use the boom mic. Also has Velcro to stick on there as well. So what we're gonna do is, since I'm using the boom mic, I'm putting it on the side. So I'm gonna take one of the Velcro pads, one of the square Velcro pads. I'll take an alcohol pad, and I'm gonna wipe right where I'm gonna stick that pad. Just wipe that down. Let it dry. Go ahead and line this up so I can see how it's gonna look inside there. That's all dry. Go ahead, stick this on there. There we go. And that's not sticking the way I need it to stick. So maybe if we can put this right up here. This might be better. Connect mic. There we go. Now you're gonna take your cheek pads, you want to get those put back in so that you can start tucking away some of these wires. It seems like the boom mic's not gonna work in my helmet, so I'm gonna try something really quick. I'm gonna try to use the other mic, but I'm gonna see if I can use it with the spot that I have it put in right now. That's put in there. let's try to get this cheek pad back on. Get all this extra wiring tucked in. Alright guys, so unfortunately I ran out of memory, so I wasn't recording the whole time I was finishing this up. But this is what it looks like after it's fully installed. You see you barely got this two cords right here going up underneath. You got everything tucked inside, and then that's how sleek it looks. And then I did end up going with the regular mount instead of the boom mount. If you look at the boom mount, this one to say, if you look at that boom mount, the wire's kind of thick. It's pretty thick. So when I was trying to put my cheek pad in, it kept popping it out of the button. So there's like a button and then there's Velcro at the bottom. Kept popping the button out just because there was so much up underneath it. So I figured out how to set the other one up, and I went with the other one instead of the boom mic. Other than that, that's it. Thank you guys for watching. Ride safe, have fun.